There's quite a few street vendors selling classic Thai street food nearby. You can get chicken on a stick, fried chicken, barbecued corn on the cob, funky sausages, fish balls, and even freshly fried donuts. These vendors are kind, friendly, and interactive Thai people.
Is this chicken or pork?
Moo chicken.
This is moo?
Yeah, pork. Well, spicy, very good. Steam pork, very pork.
Pork?
Yeah, very good. 7 for 100. Yeah.
So don't just walk by, have a chat with them. Try their food. It's so cheap you can't go wrong to sample a few things. Well, maybe you could go wrong, because I coined a new phrase on this trip to Thailand. Pad Thai A-ree-A.
Squid?
I think you know where I'm going with that one. It's a really good idea to stick some imodium in your bag on your trip. 'Cause if you get the Pad Thai A-ree-A, you're gonna want some. You'll thank me. I thanked my doctor who advised me to bring some.